Today I will show you a simple and easy way to make a 3D line text effect in Illustrator. It's easy to update and the text will remain fully editable without having to make the whole effect again. Select the type tool and type your text using any font that you want. Set your text fill and stroke to none in the Tools panel. Now go to Window, Appearance. Click on the Add New Stroke icon. Set the stroke to 8 pt using any color you want. I will be using white. Again, click on the Add New Stroke icon. Set the stroke to 8 pt using any color you want. Click on the FX icon and go to Distort and Transform. Click Transform. So apply the following settings. Click on the FX icon again and go to Stylize, Inner Glow, and apply the following settings. Again click on the Add New Stroke icon. Set the stroke to 8 pt using a black color. Now click on the FX icon and go to Distort and Transform. Click on the FX icon again and go to Blur, Gaussian Blur. Click on Opacity. Set the blending mode to multiply. Select black colored stroke and duplicate 2 copies. And select the first copy and click on Transform and apply these new settings. Click on Gaussian Blur. Select the second copy of the black colored stroke and click on Transform. So now finally, click on Gaussian blur, and if you want to change the color, simply select any of the strokes in the appearance panel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope to see you in another course. Thanks for watching this tutorial.